Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust VW Beetle headlights. First, park your classic Beetle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and the fuel tank is at least half full. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and some chalk or tape. Finally, clean your headlight lenses thoroughly to ensure the most accurate light projection possible. This preparation is key for precise adjustments. Next, let's mark your target on the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight and transfer these heights to the wall with horizontal lines. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights. Mark a vertical line on the wall that aligns with the center of your car. These marks will guide your adjustments precisely. Now it's time to adjust the beam. Locate the two adjustment screws on the back or side of each headlight assembly. One screw controls horizontal movement, shifting the beam left or right. The other manages vertical movement, moving it up or down. For low beams, aim the top of the brightest part, the cutoff line, to be about 2 inches below your horizontal mark. Finally, perform a thorough check. Ensure both headlights are aimed correctly and symmetrically. Take your Beetle for a drive at night to confirm proper visibility and ensure you are not dazzling oncoming drivers. If you are unsure about your adjustments, consider having a professional check your alignment. Regular checks ensure optimal safety and driving comfort for you and others on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.